Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the Mech with the essentials: core CPU, torso armor, and a primary weapon. Do this now to avoid wasted trips. Once done, choose a spawn near a supply crate or repair station so you can resupply fast when needed. Make sure to activate boost and sensor modules before moving. These reduce travel time and increase target acquisition effectiveness. Keep an eye on HUD indicators, temperature and ammo counts, to prevent mid-fight shutdowns and conserve resources for the first skirmish. Now you press into the objective using terrain, cover and elevation lower incoming damage and give you firing advantages. Once engaged, alternate burst fire with short sustained bursts. This manages heat and conserves ammo while keeping pressure on opponents. Meanwhile, direct Penguin NPC allies to draw aggro and create flanking windows. This splits enemy focus and lets you target high-value threats. Make sure to monitor cooldowns and reposition after each exchange so you avoid sustained suppression and keep control of the battlefield rhythm. Finish engagements by focusing fire on weakened targets and then fall back immediately to a repair point to avoid counterattacks. Once safe, swap any depleted weapon modules and top off coolant to reset heat thresholds. This readies you for the next wave. If systems hang or controls become unresponsive, first cycle power briefly. If that fails, reset the Mech at the nearest spawn to clear state glitches. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues, so you can resume efficient runs without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.